It was time to do a makeover in my daughter's room. We just needed a refresh. The main pieces were going to be staying the same, but she wanted some different bedding, and I wanted a little bit more structure to our drape situation. So I went and grabbed one of the fabric sample books from Two Pages. They're always my go to. And I love the texture of this collection. And so we added a rug and we swapped out the bedding. We brought in this beautiful blush pink color. We added in some pops of gold with the table lamps matching on both sides of the bed and this really cool long lumbar pillow. We swapped out the curtains. I wanted some contrast. We went with the dark gray fabric, and the fabric has just this beautiful texture to it, linen type look. We swapped out the more modern roller shade that she had for this bamboo one that has really great texture. I love how the light just like filters through it. You can't see fingerprints on it when she's pulling it down and back up. It's really easy for her to pull down in the evenings and then to put back up in the mornings. And as always, we love to hang our drapes high and wide. It helps make the ceilings look taller and it just really elevates the space. So cleaned up her desk a little bit, and I just think the room really came together with some really great textures, and she'll grow with it over time.